Is Google Photos automatically backing up your photos and videos? Want to stop it and save storage or mobile data? In this video, I'll show you how to disable Google Photos backup on Android step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Tap Photos Settings. Inside Settings, tap Backup. Here you'll see whether backup is currently on or off. Now tap the backup toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, photos will stop uploading to the cloud, videos will stop syncing automatically, Google account storage will no longer fill up from backups. If you only want to stop backup using mobile data, inside Backup Settings, tap Mobile Data Usage. Turn off backup using mobile data. This allows backups only on Wi-Fi. You can also stop backup for specific folders. Go to Photos Settings, right arrow backup device folders. Disable folders like screenshots, WhatsApp images, downloads. This helps save cloud storage. If your storage is already full, delete unwanted backed up files, empty trash, manage storage inside Google Photos. This prevents backup warnings. Turning off backup means your photos won't be saved online automatically. If your phone is lost or damaged, unsaved photos could be lost permanently. And that's how to stop Google Photos backup on Android. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video for more Android tips and tricks.